Hi guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back in another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for F1 2019 Legends Edition. So obviously on the front you've got Ayrton Senna and Alain Prost. So yep, so that's the front, that's the side, and that's the back. Rise up against your rivals. Have you got what it takes? So this has got the F2 bits in it as well for the career mode, which is cool. But you can, yeah, do quite a bit by the sounds of it. So that's what you get with the Senna and Prost edition, or Legends edition Senna and Prost. So it is Xbox One X enhanced 4K Ultra HD high dynamic range, and the installed size up to 45 gig. And then this was a slip. So here's the actual case, and everything on it is the same. So you get the disc, you get the DLC, advert for Fanatec, and manual of sorts. That's the standard cover, which has got Lewis Hamilton and Sebastian Vettel on the front. So yeah. Well, when I picked this up as well, I also got given a steelbook, which I actually think is really nice. And then that's the back of the steelbook. And then inside it's just standard plain, but I actually think that's really nice. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of F1 2019 Legends Edition Senna and Prost, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.